Southeast Asia is being slammed by a spike in COVID-19 as the Delta variant sweeps through the region. Health experts say that Indonesia has overtaken India to become Asia's new pandemic epicenter. Since June, the country has seen a rise in cases. In fact, on Monday, reported a record number of COVID-19 deaths, and the peak is likely yet to come with Eid al-Adha celebrations this week. The government's COVID-19 task force has issued a holiday week directive that restricts travel, tourism, and religious activities. And on the eve of Eid, Indonesia's President Joko Widodo addressed the nation.
In the midst of the current pandemic, we need to be willing to sacrifice even more, sacrificing personal interests and putting the interests of the community and others first.
Thailand is also suffering its worst outbreak of the pandemic. To rein in the virus, the government on Sunday announced plans for a tighter lockdown in Bangkok and high-risk provinces. It's also suspending most domestic flights and expanding curfew areas. Vietnam has also tightened restrictions as COVID-19 clusters spread there. In the capital, Hanoi, all non-essential services have been ordered to stop. Residents have been urged to stay at home. The country's health minister says this, quote, "This outbreak is not the same as the previous ones. We are preparing and standing ready for worse and worst scenarios." Meanwhile, in Myanmar, the official COVID-19 death toll has risen 50% this month to 5,000. Social welfare groups fear that the actual situation has become far worse since the military coup in February. Many of those suffering symptoms are choosing to remain at home because they don't trust military-run hospitals. Others say people have been turned away from overwhelmed facilities. Malaysia has set new records in daily COVID-19 deaths amid a surge in infections. Now, the surge comes even as Malaysia ramped up its vaccination program and imposed stricter lockdown measures over the past month. And as people struggle to cope during a prolonged lockdown in Malaysia, some have resorted to hanging white flags in their windows in a desperate plea for help. Even Singapore is being slammed by the virus. On Sunday, the country reported its highest daily caseload since August last year as infections emerged from an outbreak linked to karaoke bars and a fishery port. Singapore is strongly advising unvaccinated people, especially the elderly, to stay at home. Although its daily cases are only a fraction of the number being reported by its Southeast Asian neighbors, the spike in cases is a setback for a country that has long been cited as a pandemic success story. Kristie Lu Stout, CNN, Hong Kong.